Hi everyone, welcome to Benio's YouTube channel. On this channel we teach you pattern drafting and sewing. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make lantern sleeve, and it is very easy to make once you have your basic sleeve pattern. So the first thing you are going to do is to decide how many lanterns you want. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be making 3 lanterns. So if you are making 3 lanterns, it means that we are going to divide our horizontal lines into 6. We are going to divide it into 6. So the sleeve length I have here is 24 inches. So if you are to divide it into 6, that means we will be having 4 inches. So if you want to have 4 lanterns, it means that if you want to have 2 lanterns, it means that you share it into 4. I want 3 lanterns, so we share it into 6. 4 inches. So I've divided it into 6 equal parts, and I'm going to share it vertically too. So what I'm going to do is I want to share it into 6 equal parts as well. It's not mandatory. You decide how many parts you want to share this. For me, I equally want it to be 6. So I'll just share it. So I've shared here into 6 and the upper part into 6 as well. So I'm going to connect it. It is easier that way. So I've divided it vertically. Like I said, your vertical lines doesn't have to be into 6. It depends. Like the down part now, I shared it into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While the upper part is into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we will do next is that this one here, they are together, 1 and 2, just indicates with this sign to show that you are bringing the 2 together. 3 and 4, you are bringing them together. 5 and 6, you are going to bring them together. So I will cut out, let me cut it this way first, 1 and 2. So I've cut it out, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So we'll work on each of it now. So I will cut out 1 and 2 now. I'm going to cut it out. Remember, I've indicated that we are joining here. So we are going to slash from here. This one now will slash to the upper part. Just look at the way I'm doing it. You slash to the tip, you won't cut through. You slash it to the tip, but you will not cut through. So this is what we are going to spread on another paper. We will slash this other one here too. Slash 1 and 2. So the next thing we are going to do now is to spread it on another paper. You decide how wide you want it to be. Okay. Okay, this is 3 inches. So let's do 3 inches and you do it evenly. So I'm going to use my masking tape to secure it. Three inches. So I'll spread it, and the spacing between is 3 inches. As you can see here, what you have here must be equal with what you have here. If they are not equal, by the time you want to join it, you will run into problem. So this is just 1 and 2. The next thing we are going to do is to blend the down part here. Let me just show you. Blend it. And then mix. So that one is blended. Remember, we do not have allowances to it. We are going to do that on fabric. I'm going to show you how to go about it. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to cut it now. Cut it out so that you see the way it is. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. So I'll cut it out 1 and 2. So the next thing we are going to do is to cut out 3 and 4, 5 and 6, just as we did here. So let's cut it out together. And we slash from here to here. You can as well indicate it this way. This way. Okay, you are slashing from here to here to the direction of where you indicated. So don't be confused. You slash here, here. You cut out this one, 5 and 6. You slash from here to here, from here to here, and it will be like this. Then we'll bring the 3 together. I'm going to do that off camera so that the video will not be too long. I've transferred all the pattern into fabric. I'm using calico. So in case you will be using African print, I will advise that you iron interfacing on it so that it can stabilize your fabric. But the best fabric to use is scuba. You can use scuba. Any fabric of your choice that is a bit thick will really help. So this is 1 and 2, and that is how I will be joining it. 1 and 2. This is 3 and 4. This is 5 and 6. So I'm taking it to the sewing machine now, join everything and show you. This is the outcome of our lantern sleeve. You can see how lovely it is. Go ahead and make yours. And thank you for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.